Your weak grip is silently sabotaging your health, wealth, and confidence. But what if I told you that just 3 simple practices could transform your life in 30 days? And no, squeezing your phone while doom scrolling doesn't count. Whether you're an athlete, entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to live a stronger, wealthier life, this is for you. Let's dive in. Dead hangs. This is the foundation of grip strength. Just hang from a pull-up bar for 30 seconds. Sounds easy, right? Wait until your forearms start screaming. Think you can do it? Try it right now. Pause the video, grab a bar, and hang for 30 seconds. I'll wait. Consistency is key. Do this 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll notice a difference in just 2 weeks. But that's just the beginning. Practice 2 is where things get serious. Fat grip training. Swap your skinny barbell for a thicker one, or use fat grip attachments. This forces your hands to work harder, building insane crushing strength. Warning, your hands might hate you at first, but your future self will thank you. Incorporate fat grips into your rows, deadlifts, or even curls. Start light, focus on form, and watch your grip strength skyrocket. Farmer's carries. Farmer's carries. Grab the heaviest weights you can hold, walk 50 feet, and feel like a beast. Think you're tough? Try adding 10 more feet every week. Your grip and your confidence will thank you. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll not only build grip strength, but also improve your posture and core stability. The payoff. Consistency is the secret sauce. But here's the truth. Small, consistent efforts compound over time. And no, you can't skip leg day or grip day. Start with these 3 practices today. Commit to 30 days, and you'll see results that'll make you wonder why you didn't start sooner. Ready to take it to the next level? Click here to learn how the power of compounding can transform your health, wealth, and life. Subscribe now and join the movement to live stronger, wealthier, and wiser. See you in the next video.